Hello guys, and welcome back to another video tutorial. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how anybody can actually make money on Amazon with no need to purchase or hold any physical inventory in bulk. Okay, now we all know that in order to sell products online, in most cases you have to buy products in bulk and then try and resell them at a lower price. However, with the strategy I'm about to share with you guys today, you don't have to hold any products in bulk, okay, and you don't have to handle and ship out any inventory to your customers. Amazon is literally going to do all the heavy lifting for you. Okay, so if you guys are ready to tap into this incredible platform, then let's dive right into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Google, and what you want to search there is Amazon Associates. Okay, alright, so I'm currently based in the UK, so I'm going to go with the .co.uk, but you can see there is the .com for the United States, and I'm sure it's going to bring up whatever Amazon is available in your country. So you want to go with whatever option is available in your country. So I'm just going to go with the .co.uk. Okay, so the Amazon Associates program is basically an Amazon affiliate program. So if you guys are not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's a process whereby you promote other companies' products and they pay you commissions every time someone purchases via your link. Okay, so we all know that Amazon is the largest e-commerce platform in the world right now, hands down, and there's no better platform to tap into than the Amazon platform itself. Wouldn't you want to be a part of this billion-dollar pie? The beauty about Amazon is the fact that it's already known literally in almost every part of the world. So people already know Amazon, they already trust Amazon, people already have their credit card information stored within the Amazon platform already, ready to literally purchase products as they please. Okay, so there's already that element of trust, so you don't have to go out there and start struggling to build a brand from scratch yourself. You can literally just become an Amazon affiliate, start promoting the products within the Amazon platform and making money, because people already trust this platform. It's going to be easier for you to convince someone to buy a product on Amazon versus trying to convince someone to buy a product via a website they've never heard about, right? So in order to get started with this process, you want to go to the Amazon Associates website, and what you want to do, guys, is you want to sign up. Okay, so you can read all the information on this web page. It's basically telling you what the program is all about and how you can go on to get started. So the first step, of course, is to sign up for your free account. So when you click on sign up, it's going to ask you to register. So if you already have an Amazon account, private or personal Amazon account, is going to ask you to sign in using your current Amazon login details. But if you don't already have an Amazon account, then you need to create your Amazon account right here. So please, if you have an existing Amazon account, log into your Amazon account using the login details that you already use right now in your personal account. And then it's obviously going to take you through the steps to complete the registration process, so your Amazon Associate account can become activated. Okay, so I already have an Amazon Associates account activated, but in your case, it's going to ask you obviously to complete a few forms, and it's going to go through the approval process and approve your account, hopefully in a few hours. Okay, so once your Amazon Associates account is approved, you will be able to log into a dashboard that looks very similar to this. Now within this dashboard, you will be able to create things like product links. You'll be able to track your earnings and see how much you've actually earned in commissions. Okay, however, in order to get started with making money using this program, what I always recommend you do is start with products that you already use right now, products that you've already purchased from Amazon, especially if you want to do this completely free, guys. So I'm just going to log into my own personal account, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do next. Okay guys, so once you log into your personal Amazon account, you want to go on here and then just go to your orders. So you want to go and check out the orders that you've recently placed. Okay, so in my case, of course, I've ordered a few products. I'm a bit of an Amazon junkie, actually. I almost place an order literally every other day, and if you're like me and you order quite a lot of products on Amazon, then you already have enough to get you up and running right now. Okay, so what I like to do and what I like to advise people to do is, if they're not sure what products to start promoting, because I don't want you guys to go out there and start selling every single product on Amazon. You need to find a niche, and the best way to find a niche is to look at products that you already spend a lot of money on yourself. Okay, that's a great way to kind of determine what type of niche to tap into, because at the end of the day, you're going to be promoting these products, and you don't want to go and just promote random products out there that you don't have an interest in, because it's you know, it's going to be very difficult for you to convince people to buy a product that you don't even use yourself and you don't even have access to at the moment. Okay, so if you're someone that buys a lot of shoes on Amazon, you can start promoting shoes. If you purchase a lot of baby products, like myself, for example, I recently bought this lightweight travel stroller on Amazon. And you can see right here, I've got this puree, you know, sort of fruitsicle stuff that I use to make some, you know, fruit popsicles or whatever for my teething baby. So in my case, of course, I would definitely be tapping into the baby niche because I purchase a lot of baby and, you know, kids products because I am a mom of 2 myself. So as you can see here, I bought this lightweight stroller. So what I could do, guys, is, and the reason why I said go into your Amazon account, your personal account, and go through your orders that you've already purchased, because you will already have the physical access to the products with you. Okay, is it starting to make sense now? Because you do need to have a product, a sample, at least one piece of inventory that you can use to create content, which I'll talk about in the next step. So what I could do now, guys, is literally click on that product. If you click on the product, you will see this option up here that says Amazon Associates Site Stripe. I believe this is now available in literally every Amazon platform out there. But if it's not available in your platform, you can always go to your Amazon Associates account and do a search and it will bring up the product. Okay, so what you want to do is you just literally want to go to where it says get the link, okay, and where it says text, and then just click right there. And as you can see right there, guys, it's automatically generated an affiliate link for me. So basically, if I copy this link and I send that link to another mom out there that I know and I recommend this buggy to, and she purchases this buggy via this link, okay, I'm going to earn commissions. Amazon is going to pay me some money for basically recommending the stroller to someone else. Now, if I'm going around with the stroller now and I have people asking me, oh, where did you buy the stroller? I'll be like, you know what? Let me send you the link to the exact product. I got it from Amazon, but let me send you the link so you make sure you get the right one, right? If I give them that link and they purchase this product, guess what? I earn a commission. And the beauty about the strategy is the fact that I'm promoting a product that is on Amazon. People already trust Amazon, like I mentioned before. So it's going to be very easy for someone else to come on here and purchase this product because they already know the platform. They already know the company. They already trust the company and they probably already shop with Amazon. So that's pretty much what you want to do, guys. You want to go get your link, right? And then what you're going to be doing is, right, you can get the links to the products and save it keep it somewhere safe. So you could go check out other products that you've already purchased that you have at home with you, copy the links, guys, and, you know, save it in a spreadsheet. And then the next thing you want to do now, guys, is you want to go and create some videos, okay? So you want to go and create some videos. So you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. If you're camera shy, that's the beauty about this program, because what you're essentially doing is reviewing a product, okay? Not your face, reviewing a product. So if we went on YouTube and typed in Sonorin lightweight stroller, right, reviews, okay? And then you're going to notice that there's actually a few videos, as you can see right here. I'm seeing quite a few videos around UK strollers, buggies, and compact strollers. It doesn't actually have the exact name of that buggy, which is a good thing for you, because if you created a video with these keywords, right, because that's a buggy that's already ranking high on Amazon, people are searching for this buggy, people are buying this buggy, which means and indicates that people will be searching for reviews around that buggy. So if you created a video with that title, guess what's going to happen? Your video is going to be at the top on YouTube. And it's also going to, because Google owns YouTube, guess what's going to happen? It's going to be at the top of the Google ranking as well. Amazing stuff. So what does this mean for you guys? Okay, when people come on Google searching for Sonorin lightweight stroller reviews, is going to bring up your YouTube video. Okay, and all you're literally doing, guys, is uploading the video that you created on your phone, right? I could literally take my phone and create that buggy video, upload it to my YouTube channel, use this title, okay, and then put the link that I copied on Amazon in my description field. So I can guarantee you that all those companies right here are promoting some affiliate products of some sort. So 3 Ultra, let me just turn down the volume. Let's just skip that. You can actually see what others are doing around, you know, buggies, reviewing buggies, you know. So you can see what I mean. That's just an unboxing. There's no faces, nothing is showing there, guys. Showing you how to actually release the buggy, how to open it, how it works. No show of face, guys. Nothing. You can even do this without saying anything. You can just have things like captions on the video and some like a music or sound over it, like what this person is doing right now. So you can see the reviewing a buggy, showing you how it works, how to open it, how to operate it without showing their face. So okay, now he showed a bit of face, but it's just to say you don't need to show your face if you don't want to. Okay, so now he's done that. If you look at the description field, I can guarantee you that he's earning some commissions by reviewing this product. And every time they purchase the buggy, Amazon ships the product directly to your customer and you sit back and make money. It's that simple. And you can do this with as many products as possible on Amazon, guys. You don't only have to do buggies. You can pick a niche and start promoting products around that particular niche. Okay, it's that simple, guys. So I hope you found this video useful with regards to going out there and making money on Amazon without physically holding anything. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and hopefully you're going to go out there and actually take action. Now, if you're looking for an even easier way, guys, to make money online, then I highly recommend that you check out funnelpio.com. Now, what you get with the system is a done-for-you online business. Like, you're literally going to have your own online business created for you guys, ready for you to literally just click on the button to activate your business and start promoting and making money. Okay, so all you have to do, guys, is just head over to this website, funnelpio.com. You will see a short video here just explaining how the system works and what the program is all about, and then you can just join this free challenge, which will ultimately activate your account. Okay, and once you join this challenge, you will then be able to go on to promote the products, promote your website, and start making money. Okay, this is an incredible system, easy to set up, free to join, guys. No product is needed, no shipping, no inventory, none of the complicated stuff, guys, and you can earn anywhere from $100 to $300 a day with this system if you follow all the strategies, of course, that you're taught in the trainings. Okay.